Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this little app here called OnePulse, okay? So maybe you're wondering, can you really make money from taking surveys? So let's take a look at OnePulse and see whether this is a good use of your time. How much can you really make? That's a big question, all right? Or maybe there are better opportunities for you to use online to make money, and we'll find that out today, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 100% from home every single month, just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email. You can check it out if you would like. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different survey websites, GPT style, make money online, different business models, video games, things like that. And some of them are great and you can make a lot of money, but a lot of them actually don't allow you to make that much. So let's take a look at OnePulse right here to see how much they really pay and is this legit, okay? Now, OnePulse is basically a survey app and they serve a lot of different companies all over the world. So they're like a market research company. And what you don't see is that they work with a lot of clients who use their platform to ask the world questions, right? Now, as a user, all you need to do is just come to Google Play Store, or you can download it from the Apple App Store, and you would download the survey. It's a very nice looking survey. It's very, very simple. And this is the thing that I like about OnePulse is that it's very simple. You download the app and every day they will ask you very, very short questions, just a few questions literally. And if you answer the questions every single day, you'll make points and you'll make money from the actual app. It's very, very cool, okay? So let me just show you how this works. Basically, they've got lots of different clients like Coca-Cola or Netflix, a lot of the big names. And basically, as you answer questions, it will influence the big brands on how to stay up to date with different, strategies on how to improve their products. And what you do is for every single survey that you fill out, you'll earn a certain amount of money, right, into your OnePulse account. It's so simple as that, right? And the big question though is how much money can you make per month roughly for OnePulse? Okay, now on average, expect to earn about $1 a day if you're using the app very, very well. Now, it also depends on where you live in the world, but if you live in a country where they've got a lot of surveys, then you can earn roughly about $1 a day. So that comes up to about $30 a month. The thing that I like though about OnePulse is that you don't have to go scrambling all over the place to try and figure out stuff. You don't have to pre-qualify for anything. They just give you the surveys if you're in the right country. The surveys are extremely short. They're like 1 to 2 minutes long. You fill it out, you make a few cents, maybe 20 cents, 30 cents, per survey, and that adds up over time. Now, you can't earn more than $1 a day, even in a really, really good country. So just understand that this is only, just an extra bit of money. This is not going to help you to travel all over the world or become a millionaire or anything like that. This is just a free app that allows you to fill out free surveys, and you can make, in a good country like if you're in the US or Canada or the UK, roughly about, I would say, $25 to $30 a month if you're active on it. Okay, that's pretty much it. It doesn't go on beyond more than that. All right, but the great thing I like about OnePulse is that it's legit. It's easy to use, it's global, and they really do pay out, and they just pay out straight to your PayPal. So if you would like to check it out, you can head over to the Google Store. Just Google OnePulse, and you can download it from the Google App Store or the Apple App Store. All right, hope you enjoyed that, and you can check it out if you want. Now, if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're looking a way to make some additional income, but you don't know how. And maybe $30 a month is not enough for you because that's like fun income. Maybe you can buy a nice meal, right? Treat your friend to lunch or whatever, something simple, but it's not life-changing income, right? So if you want to make life-changing income, we're talking about hundreds of dollars a day online. There are ways to do it. You just have to understand how. And after being online for almost 15 years now, there's still one strategy for me that's my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month 100% from home. If you want that strategy, click the link below and I'll send that straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of OnePulse today. See you on another review. Take care.